Well, poverty rates are down in Beltrami County. The number of kids who finish high school is down too. The Bemidji School District makes up a large part of the county, and the latest Kids Count study shows some areas of concern for administrators. And Mary Keeler has the story.
Each year, a study is done to see how kids are doing throughout the country. Kids Count gathers information that determines how an area is doing with poverty, graduation rates, and more.
Kids Count is a project of the National Annie Casey Foundation, which is located in Baltimore, and they're a foundation that gives a grant to an organization in each state to track data on child well-being and direct the Kids Count project in that state.
Beltrami County struggles with those areas.
It's always been one of the highest. In 2013, it was the second highest child poverty rate behind Monoman County.
But statistics like that are interpreted differently in Bemidji schools.
The money that we receive is based on all of our students and all of our free and reduced lunch, so we pay very close attention to that. However, the money is distributed to those schools where we have the students with the greatest needs.
And 4 schools qualify for Title I grant money from the state because they have the highest poverty level in the district. The schools are J.W. Smith, Central, Lincoln, and Solway, all elementary schools in the district. The study also points out that the graduation rate in the county was 66% in 2014, and that number dropped down to 60% this year.
We haven't seen that great decline, but that's an area of concern for me because I think education is the one way for people to get out of poverty.
Aside from the general categories the study looks at, the Children's Defense Fund of Minnesota focused on opportunities for people of color.
Looking at disparities for children of color and American Indian children and how we can increase access to opportunities that support their success.
There is also a website that is constantly updated with the data as resources for organizations and the state, especially educators.
I love that they have this Kids Count report. It's excellent.
And there is still work to be done as dropout rates are up and median household income in the district is down. In Bemidji, Mary Keeler, Lakeland News.
Kids Count is planning a coffee event in Bemidji on February 5th to go over more details on the study.
If you've enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland Public Television.